So I flew out to Hawaii in hopes to give my brain a little break from thinking that it caused the Big Bang. Then I met up with this sweet boy, and we designed up some jewelry. So cool. This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Look at this snowy tundra, that is Utah. Actually, it hasn't been snowing a lot, and every time I leave, it snows a ton, and I get to go to some place that's nice and warm, and sit on a beach, and put on a Speedo, and that was no different here. So, okay, I made it, and I've been here for a week, staying with Maddie, the sweetie. And now, oh shit. Time to go find Carson. He's here.
Welcome to my world.
What's the game plan?
We can go to a beach. I'm on some rocks. We can go on a bike ride on the bike path. Get lost in a long conversation. Plan for the future.
Ooh.
But first we need to get motivated.
Motivation station.
Through
I don't remember the first time I met Carson, but I do remember he said afterwards how he wanted me around more. I think his energy of like open heart, open arms, it's like the energy you put out, the energy you get, because it's the same. You just always want this boy around.
Welcome home. This is what imaginary that's old word.
So he was telling me like this whole idea of this brand that he wants to create, where it's just creating beauty and like reconstructing things. So taking like broken concrete things and beautifying them. That's what he said. Beautifying the world was what he said. And so him and I just kind of, I say him and I, but mostly him, just doodled about some jewelry inspired by his tattoos on his arm and the one on my leg that he gave me. And I think we came up with some fun little things. Here, but step into my office. Oh my gosh.
Step and sit. So I like this if it were like a 2D flower.
Okay.
And like a dark.
Put that right there.
Yeah, like a dark circle, dark metal.
And I think like we do like your elbow and do like a light and a dark. You can also turn that into a ring of some sort.
Or we could do a chain, like the ball and chain. Here, where was it? This one. Yeah, from a fan, pull chain. You cut each ball off and circle that up as like a flower.
And we can prototype it with super glue, and we'll do that later. I might also like 3D render something like this to see how it looks, and this. But for this video, let's just do this and go from there.
That and for this. What do you guys think? Let us know down in the comments. Come on, chat.
Come on, chat. I'm so shaky. Whoa, Toad's Wild Ride! Alley-oop. So I don't think I mentioned this, but right now he's working out in Hawaii for his dad's electric company. So he gets these little pull strings from, what are they called? Fans? Overhead fans? He's wearing them as bracelet. So he had this idea to make a little like flower out of them. Yeah.
No.
And I think it's gonna be cute. It's funny, as a kid, the concept of infinity is what kept me up at night. And I think it was more like the fact that you'd be stuck in something, like stuck in an infinite loop or something like that. But now it's like, if something's infinite and has no end, you could go on forever, which means you'd never stop, and you'd never get stuck. And now it's that paradox that keeps me up at night. Cute! So we tested out with like the flowers being right next to each other, and then some with like a little bead in between. And I think I ended up liking the one with the bead in between,
I like this one
that.
because it sticks out, or it is just separate enough.
But that's it. We got a prototype, and now it's time to go skateboarding. We skate as skateboarders. And with 3 weeks, that felt like 3 days going by, I headed back. You holding your hand and texting. Oh, art.
I'm back.
Now it's time to like try to make the prototypes. This 3D render, I'm probably gonna fix it because I don't need these trees 'cause I'm not like casting it. I'm gonna try to print it with these trees for right now and see how it goes. Trying to 3D print this design and it's not working. Ha! So I'm actually just gonna stop this right now and try again tomorrow with a different design. Stop. So what am I gonna do next? I don't know, I'm trying to get a mock-up of this so I can kind of figure out how to do it or like what size to make it. Just want to say huge thank you to today's sponsor, Squarespace. Go make a website. No, for reals, there's so many reasons to have a website and all the reasons more to do it through Squarespace. They make it so you can do it super easy. The coolest thing right now is that you can actually go to the link in my description and start making a website today for free, no credit card needed. And then when you do decide to launch it, you can use coupon code Shmoxd to get 10% off your first purchase. You can kind of try it before you buy it. For me, it's like it made marketing stuff super easy because of their email campaigns and like their SEO like and analytics just like. And the best thing is like I didn't have to go install like a different app and install it and put it on my website, yada yada yada. It's all there. It's a one-stop shop. If you want to do something without the headache and you don't have to like teach yourself how to code, Squarespace is the place to go. Squarespace is the place to go because it's so user-friendly. Why don't you go create it today? Go create something today. And yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow and try to print this again. We'll see how it goes. It's a new day, same glasses. Oh. Woo! Okay. See how this one goes. That's not working. It's not working.
You broke the machine again.
I'll probably try again tomorrow. Woohoo! Alright, so be sure to like and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that bell notification. And yeah.